So again, in a system of just water, we have these chemical bonds being formed between water molecules. Now these bonds are constantly forming and breaking, but it's happening so quickly that the water molecules are staying together, okay? But they're forming and breaking almost constantly because they're moving around so fast, forming these bonds in their liquid. And what you have to do when you cool water, these bonds start slowing down with their formation and their breaking. It happens slower and slower and slower as the temperature drops until these bonds are actually formed in place and they will not break anymore. That's what happens at the freezing point. And so again, in alien blood, we have these extraterrestrial particles that can also form chemical bonds with water in that alien blood system. So now we have many more chemical bonds that have to be slowed down into a permanent locked or frozen position. So we have to remove more energy from this system to slow down and stop all those bonds in a frozen place. And that's why you have to have a colder temperature, because you have more bonds that have to be frozen in this alien blood system. And that's why alien blood freezes at a colder or a lower temperature than water does. Okay, so I want you guys to think about that. Anytime you add any type of substance into a liquid, it's not only going to raise the boiling point temperature, it's going to lower the point at which that liquid freezes. So students, where are you? I'm trying to find myself. Hopefully this works. Think about this as you do stuff in your kitchen when you're trying to make popsicles, right? If you're just freezing ice cubes, it's going to take a certain amount of time. But if you're trying to freeze a popsicle or a Kool-Aid stick for your kids, it's going to take longer to freeze because you have to get to a colder temperature, because you don't just have water anymore, you have water with sugars and flavors added. So the temperature has to get lower to freeze your Kool-Aid or your Otter Pops, whatever popsicles you're making for your kids or for yourself. So have a great day, students. Go on out there and enjoy your world. Explore it with science. Until next time, we'll see ya. Thanks. Bye-bye.